price we have to pay, or is there something we could do to make it go away? Is this another life we have to take, and that another storm we will awake? Why don't we stop it now before the tides get high?
If you're watching this, the world is making it 2062.
Looking back, I didn't think I'd miss the cold nights in the winter.
Whatever happened to making snowmen and having running water on demand?
How times have changed.
Take, or is this one of many promises we will break? Isn't there another way that this could be? A way to make everybody see.
Some parts of the world, like Greenland, may actually not see a bad effect from rising sea levels, but other low-lying areas, your low-lying countries like Bangladesh, many of your Pacific islands, like Vanuatu, may actually disappear under the waves. So all island nations like the Maldives, which are low-lying, big risk. Bangladesh, one of the most densely populated countries of the world, extreme risk because they're low-lying and flat nations.
Average change in global temperature?
The world heating up. The world coming to an end.
It's a bit of a myth, really. I don't really believe it. It is the death of the environment.
When the globe gets warmer. I don't know.
Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, CFCs and nitrous oxides trap heat that is escaping from the Earth and therefore increasing the temperature of the atmosphere.
I think it will affect us in terms of sea levels will rise. I think glaciers will melt. I think it will disturb habitats of animals and also of humans. It will also put pressure on countries that are low-lying, in essence on the floodplains or near the sea.
However, the release of carbon into the atmosphere from human activities isn't the only source. There are many other processes in nature that release equally significant volumes of carbon.
What are some of your suggestions to reduce carbon emissions?
The first thing to do would be to adopt the mantra reduce, reuse and recycle.
Is the issue of global warming overrated?
I think the issue of global warming has become a distraction from more effective activities. At times I think the discussion of global warming has become hysterical.
Do you have your own theory, and if not, what theory do you believe in?
There are many theories out there. Carbon in the atmosphere is just one of them. I think controlling levels of carbon emissions in itself will not reduce any impacts we have.
It's the place we all come from now. Look back and see what we have done. If we just stop it now before the tides get higher. If we just stop it now, that ever-growing fire. If we just stop it now before the sun comes closer. If we just find out how to stop before it's over. Is this a place we all call home? Is this a place we have all known? Is this a place we all come from now? Look back and see